Hey guys, it's Dana Ano here again with an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So enjoy! Starting off, I'll be using this brow pencil I got for 100 naira in the market, and then I'm using the Zaron concealer, and then an angled brush that I got from Classic Makeup USA. The first thing I'm doing is I'm brushing my hair with an eyeshadow eyebrow spoolie, brushing the hair in the direction it should go, and then with a very sharp razor I just removed it from the pack. I'm carving my brows. I'm starting from the top. Yeah, so just watch and see how I carve my eyebrows. I don't really have much hair on my brows, but I do like to carve them though, because sometimes it just grows, wild, and it's difficult for me to draw my eyebrows neatly. So I just carve it a little. I don't shave off the hair totally because I don't even have much anyways. So yeah, just watch and learn how the simple way I shape my eyebrows with a razor. And I use a brown new razor every time I do this because it's sharp and it's easier. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe. Have you watched my other videos? I have other interesting contents on my channel. Please check them out. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. And if you're an old subby, thanks for the support. I appreciate it. This process, I just didn't want to talk through it because I feel it's if you watch it, you would get everything that I'm doing without me like explaining every process of this eyebrow carving. It's very simple. Just watch and learn, guys. So the reason why I always brush the hair up and down as well and then carve again is because I want all of them to be like equal. I don't want anyone standing out after drawing my eyebrows. So that's the reason why I do that. And so that's it. It's a self-explanatory process. It's simple and easy, something you can just do yourself at home instead of going to the salon to do it. So now the eyebrow process. With my eye pencil, I'm drawing a straight line under my left brow, and I'm just following the natural direction in which my brow should follow. To get this, place a pencil at the end of your nose and place it at the beginning of your brow, the center of your brow, and at the end. It kind of like guides you as to where your brow should start, where your brow should arc, and where your brow should end. At the top of my brow, I'm drawing a straight line and I'm arcing my brow now where my brow should arc. In case you're still confused about that, just do what I just did before by placing the pencil on your nose, then place it at the beginning of your brow, at the center of your brow, and at the end of your brow. So I'm simply filling in the brow to cover up any space that might not have products, and then you can see I traced where this brow started to the next one. It kind of like gives me a guide of where this one should start as well. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. I'm doing the same thing I did before. I'm drawing a straight line under my right brow now, and for this method, please make sure your pencil is sharpened. It's very sharp. It will help you to be more defined and precise in your eyeshadow, while drawing your eyebrow. And yeah, I'm just arcing my brow where it should arc. I actually drew the line at the top of my brow and I joined it to the previous line. This will give you to make the end of your brow thin, because it's supposed to be thinner than the beginning of your brow. So now with the spoolie, I'm just pushing products forward. I initially avoided putting so much products at the beginning because the beginning of the brow is supposed to be lighter than the end of the brow. That's what I'm doing, and I'm also using the spoolie to smoothen out the brow and spreading the products evenly everywhere. So now with my Zaron concealer, I'm about to clean the under of my brow. With my angled brush, I'm cleaning the under of my brow with this liquid concealer. This video was sped up, so that's why it looks as if I'm just drawing it so fast and expertly, but I sped up the video so that it should not be too long. You can see that I'm blending the concealer downwards towards my eyelid. This will give you a smooth canvas when you want to apply eyeshadow. So I'm repeating the same thing on the next brow. I'm cleaning below my brow with the concealer, the Zaron concealer. The concealer I'm using is Zaron Concealer AZ10, and I'm blending it downwards towards my eyelid. You want to make sure you draw a straight line. Make sure your hands are not shaking when you are using the concealer to clean your brows. And then I'm now trying to clean the top of my brow, and I'm doing this gently and carefully. And yeah, I forgot to show you that I'm using the pointed end of the angled brush, the angled side. That's what I'm using, and I'm cleaning the top of my brow now. I'm arcing my brow where it's supposed to arc. The trick is just to follow the natural shape of your brow. Don't try to exaggerate your brow shape. You end up looking funny. Some people will tell you to use your foundation or a concealer that is close to your skin color when you want to clean the top of your brow. But I only do that whenever I'm doing like a natural makeup, or if I'm going for like a full glam makeup, I use the same concealer that I used under my brow, because it makes my brow more noticeable. Like, it makes it stand out very well, because I'm still going to cover up the top of my brow still with foundation, so it wouldn't show, but it would make it more precise, more pronounced, compared to when I use like my foundation to clean the top of my brow. So makeup is just really whatever works for you. I don't believe there are any rules to makeup, just do anything that works for you. Like I said, you want to make sure that you're cleaning your brow. You make sure that your hands are steady so that you can draw very straight lines. And then when you draw your brows, try to look at both of them and make sure that they look alike. You can see my right brow was slimmer than the left, so I'm trying to reduce under the brow now to make them equal. But the truth is, your brows are sisters here, but they are not twins. So even if they don't look identical, no problem, as long as they resemble each other. Another trick I do is to apply concealer with my angled brush at the beginning of my brow, just to soften up that area a little bit. And then with the spoolie, I'm blending it out, and then I'm using a beauty blender to smoothen out the concealer that I used to define my brows. So after this, you can then go in with your foundation and blend properly. The brightness of the concealer above my brow would not show anymore. Like I said, I would just layer foundation over it. I find this just makes my brow more pronounced, like more noticeable, compared to when I use my foundation shade to clean the top of my brow. And that's it, guys. I love my brows. I hope you love them too. This is the final look. Brows popping. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Ciao.